Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Dad Technologies. My name is Evan, and today we are going to be having a little discussion about headphones, and we're going to be doing an out-of-box of my new Bluetooth headphones that I just purchased. They are the Cowin E7 Pro headphones that you can purchase off of Amazon. So we're going to do a little bit of detailing on what the Amazon site shows as their specs. And then we're going to do an actual out-of-box opening and to show you what is in the box, what the quality looks like of them, instructional manuals, buttons, the whole ordeal. So let's hit the intro. You'll also notice from some of my other videos that I had a different background. I've actually moved locations within my house to be able to record my YouTube videos, and you'll notice in the background that I have a turtle. My turtle is named Henry, and he will be joining us from time to time on the videos because you may see him swimming back and forth in his very large tank. I did completely renovate my computer area. Maybe we'll do another video on that soon to show you what everything that I have. So let's get to the specs of the headphones. And here they are. Here is my new wonderful pair of neon green headphones, which is my favorite color. I'm really excited to open them up and see what they end up actually looking like. You'll notice that they are $94, $95. So they're kind of on that expensive side. There are much more expensive headphones out on the market, but based off of reviews of this Amazon purchase, we're really hoping that these come out being really good quality. And you know, they're not really cheap. I don't consider $95 cheap. So these are the Cowin E7 Pro active noise canceling headphones. Of course, Bluetooth capable and wirelessly capable, kind of same thing. Over the ears, so they're going to completely cover my ears. There is a mic in these headphones, so you should be able to make phone calls on these. And then the 30-hour playtime, which according to the reviews, that is actually pretty accurate, so I'll be pretty impressed if that ends up being the case. You do have a variety of colors, black, blue, green, pink, purple, red, and white. My wife actually chose red, and I will show those to you briefly when we get to the out-of-boxing of my green ones. So they claim that there's professional active noise-canceling technology, significant noise reduction for travel, work, and anywhere in between. I do all those things. I do travel for work. I'm work in a hospital, so I'm constantly needing something that's going to be able to stand up and, you know, get with the challenge of what I put it up for. Much better sound, proprietary 45mm large aperture drivers, provide you with a deep, accurate bass response, so we should be getting a decent amount of noise out of these. These will probably, at least according to what this is saying, it's going to be really good for any type of PC gaming, just, I think, any gaming, really, for that matter, and of course, especially music. From 75 to 85 decibels, the Cowin E7 Pro Active Noise Cancelling over-the-ear headphones gives you a crisp, powerful sound and quiet that helps you enjoy your music better. So the music lovers that are out there, I think these are going to be it for you. We'll scroll down here a little bit. Again, active noise canceling. I have a 2-year-old. Noise canceling is a wonderful thing. So I'm always all about any type of headphones that are noise canceling. Frequent flyers delight. Again, I think these are going to be really good for airports. I think it's going to drown out majority of that noise of all the engines on the outside, so I think you will like that. Again, I'm just going to point out the stable battery life. A built-in 800 milliamp battery supports 30 hours of playtime. Again, the reviews are saying that this 30-hour is accurate. And once again, high-quality built-in microphone and Bluetooth, so you should be able to make phone calls on these. 4-hour charge time. That's a little long. I guess I don't know what exactly I would compare it to. But I think that for 4 hours of charge time you get 30 hours of music. I think that's actually pretty good. Everything in the box, so it looks like the box itself, carrying case, instructions, probably a USB cable, auxiliary cord, and the headphones itself. Again, we're going to be seeing this right in front of us here in a couple of minutes. Okay, so here is the actual product. It is the Cowin E7 Pro headphones. In the beginning part of this video, we of course went through the details on the Amazon site to kind of know specifically what these headphones will entail. And this portion of the video is the out-of-box of what you actually get. Let's open up the box. First of all, very nice packaging. And then on the back, just has some information for Cowin, QR code, just some information about the company. A couple of barcodes down here, one of them indicating my neon green ones that are probably a little bit more excessively green than they need to be. Can see if the camera can focus in on that. Nope, maybe not. So again, E7, let's open up the package and see what we get. Nice little thank you letter from Cowin. Something about the founder was an audio engineer, so hopefully that's good news for us. Set that to the side. Okay, so nothing else in the box, so we'll set that to the side. Really nice, hard, solid. I mean, it's a little. It's not totally solid, but it's definitely. I mean, it's going to be able to take a hit. Let's open it up. Whew! Look at those. Those are pretty cool. Let's get to, looks like a warranty card, owner's guide, pretty significant booklet, instructions on connecting. I'll put this in the attachment, or in the description below, maybe into a PDF file in some way, just on the off chance if you choose to purchase these headphones and you lose these instructions. But these are the instructions to connect. Looks like just some kind of propaganda notice. So this card is just essentially indicating to not charge it any faster with any more voltage than necessary. So we'll set those to the side. Charging cable, micro USB charging cable with of course your normal USB, and then your auxiliary cord is right here. So you also get that. Okay. We're gonna put the case to the side. Very green. My first impression right out of the box is they are not as green as the picture indicated in Amazon, but they're pretty green. I will show you. My wife actually purchased the same headphones. She just chose to get red. So you can see that this red is a bit more crisp, whereas this almost seems like kind of a milky green, versus in the pictures on Amazon it indicated that it was, it looked like it was very bold neon green, but that's okay. So on the side here you have your low volume and high volume, and I think this is actually to the back. Let's see if I can bring that up a little bit closer. I think this is actually the back button and the forward button for music as well. And then you have your pause and play button, that's right here. I know this button lights up. We'll we'll start on that side. So you have a, see if it can focus on there. Trying to get it to focus. There it goes. You have your off, and then your noise canceling, and then your Bluetooth. So whenever you're connecting it, you want to make sure that it's on that Bluetooth mark. See if they're charged. You can see that lit up, and then and that turns off. Then you also have on that side, you have your auxiliary cable plug into there. And I'm guessing that's the microphone, because these also have the option to be able to take phone calls as well. And then to charge them, over on the other side, you have your micro USB, and then your charging indicator just showing that it's charging. And there's nothing else on that other headphone. On the inside, you do have your left and right. If it can focus in on there. It's supposed to be an R. Your left and right indicators. Very flexible, but definitely seems like it was built very nicely and high quality. My fingers are going to hate this, but it's kind of rough, I guess we'll say it. But overall, they seem very nice, well engineered, high quality built, and really comfortable. So since we actually have them out of the box now, I want to turn them on, and I want to try to connect them to Bluetooth. I want to do it on the computer because I'm hoping a majority of my audience is gamers and music lovers that are doing this on the computer. So Windows 10, I'm going to show you how to connect to them. I'm guessing the Bluetooth name for them will be the same on any cell phones, iPods, iPads, so I think that this was probably a good, easy option to show you. So let's go to Bluetooth. Share device is discoverable. So again, on that setting, we're going to turn it to Bluetooth. I heard a chime. Oh, an E7. Perfect. That really didn't take that long. Connecting. Awesome. And I heard a chime in the headphones. We're connected. This is great. And it's that easy. It was that easy. Okay guys, as always, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and we'll catch you next time.